I already do a lot of cool clients like Amp, Kaisenat here group, like it's sick. You know, like I did Kobe stickers for the Lakers, this show. It's all right at this point, you know?
Bella Canvas called, we're here to deliver. We're doing a whole tour with them.
They got a lot of square footage. We got it covered. We got a lot.
It's got a lot of building.
If you see Junior in fulfillment, you know we're popping.
Daily. Daily. How else will I be accessible? First Try Friday, baby!
20,000 stickers, remember, in 6 hours.
So I just like 7,000 back there.
OCC is premiering our video. I graduated, bro.
Friday, money.
I'm working on stuff for Waragaki right now. It's pretty cool. I never seen his anime, but the graphics sick. I'm kind of rushing it right now because Annie's always like, top client. All my clients are top clients, but when it comes to like people that always order, their priority, I'm always making sure it's straight.
You got any favorite stickers that you want to show off?
I mean, look at the table. The table has like so many cute ones. Bro, like, just look at it, bro. Stizzy, Ku Klux Klan, Rush is hard. I think out of all my favorite stickers, bro, is probably the Channel 5 one. Because Channel 5 is like the coolest YouTube channel out there. But yeah, man, I already do a lot of cool clients like Amp, Kaisenat here group, like it's sick. You know, like I did Kobe stickers for the Lakers, this show. It's all right at this point, you know? That's what I like about it. It's like, it's not just like clothing companies, it's like a YouTube channel winning stickers, or like, just like the average local business winning stickers. So that's what's sick about this like little like printing stuff. It's just cool because like every client brings me different art. So like every day is a different day.
As you can see, we got stuff everywhere. So, you move into a new place, you want to be clean, simplistic, but the name of the game over here is fulfill orders. So we had like a bunch of big drops between some clients that we have to get out, and it's kind of, we had to meet some deadlines. We will always strive to meet some deadlines, but yeah, besides, just pallets and boxes overflowing everything, we got our DTG God Junior helping us out. So if you see Junior in fulfillment, you know we're popping. So hopefully, next time you come and pay me a visit, I'll have a clean, organized warehouse, big pictures of myself everywhere.
How we feel, Junior?
It's fucking hectic. It's hectic right now. Yeah. Nah, bro, you didn't have to show them that. He wasn't lying when we were talking about how many orders we're getting out. Come check this out. Check this out.
Daily. Daily. Get it out.
RJ, you've been challenged. Junior told me he wants to have a lift off with you.
Right now?
Whenever, dude.
Let's go. These YNs, man, they're always trying to challenge the big bros, you know? And I just saw on TikTok that I'm officially a big bro, not an unk, so nobody call me unk either.
What do you think, Rico?
What's up?
Is RJ big bro or unk?
He's up. He's definitely.
Don't ask him. He's a YN. He's a YN. They'll be like, hey, who can pack the fastest orders? Tricked me into working. Someone challenged me. YN challenged me over here.
Would you just call me Unk?
Big bro. Big bro. Let's go. Let's go.
I don't want to step down from my stool.
I just moved the whole thing. He thinks he's gonna beat me. Wait, what are we doing? Are we doing hella reps, or are we doing large weight, like 2 plates?
Most reps, most reps. 14.
Alright, hold on.
That's it?
I need a break.
That's it. Oh, man. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. He called me over here for that. 20.
It's 20. Here we go. I need to talk to God real quick.
No one's fighting me, by the way. If you die, you die.
22.
You said I need to talk to God real quick. Well, that's funny.
Don't ever make me do
That's
that
all right.
dumb shit again.
Alright, it's a prank! We're not gonna do anything! It's a prank! Oh, Martin.
He's gone, bro.
Fucking idiot. Thought I was gonna work out on my fucking break. I don't even work out on my free time.
Bella Canvas called. We're here to deliver. We're doing a whole tour with them. Honestly, this is gonna be a big video, bro. Like, they literally catered food. We have a 9:30, we're actually a little bit late, 9:30 to 1:30 shoot time, and we're doing like 4 or 5 different stops, so.
They got a lot of square footage. We got it covered. We got a lot.
Got a lot of buildings.
Hello. Hey.
How's it going?
Doing good. We're here. Sorry we're a little late.
No worries. Hi, Amanda.
Ben's
How's
coming
it
in.
going?
We're doing good. We're just, you know, ready to rip it.
Should we do like a little intro outside?
Yeah, so who's
So
gonna be leading
Michelle.
us?
Michelle is
Okay.
going to be leading us. He
Okay.
is the owner of the dye house.
Cool. All right.
We have a super strong relationship with this dye house. We share all the same ethos, whether it be, you know, our advance in technology and just really not cutting any corners when it comes to dyeing and not dyeing overseas, right?
Sure.
So just making sure that we're
Yeah.
every step of the process is.
Y'all really saved like the craziest one.
We did.
We wanted you to end on a banger, bro.
Yeah, we had to go out on
Really ended me off on a banger,
We got the
man.
Bella Canvas tour just for you.
Mm-hmm.
Ben, I heard you showed up yesterday for the interview.
He did, bro.
That's the computer.
Yeah, why are you leaving, dude? On Saturday.
Oh, so you're gonna pull up Friday?
Whoa. Who says that? You really want me to pull up on the Friday?
Pull up
man?
on the Friday.
I can pull up with the free throw. You should just close the shop on Friday. I think, you know what?
Let's close the shop today until Friday.
You guys come in like you're coming to work, and then we just play poker immediately.
National holiday.
I'm down.
You're down with it? You're with it? You're with it?
I'm with it.
Taylor?
What?
He's not in it.
Taylor, he's leaving, dude.
Look at him. I'm
mean-
signing up insurance for my dog.
RJ, have you been practicing your like loud voice?
Hey, welcome to my yard. I'm white.